Hi, I'm Jonah. I'm on the Jonda Health team, and today's my turn to show you around JondaX. Let's dive in. Head to app.jondax.eu. Enter your registered email, password, and your answer to the security question. Once done, click on Login. Once you're in, your dashboard shows the Transform Files panel with your remaining transformations, your processing and transformed files, and recent notable activities in your account. Click Browse Files, or drop them into the Transform Files panel and choose your category, pathology data file or medical device image. For pathology data, you may choose to extract original values or harmonize values to your preferred format, units, and language. Every file gets a quality review from our experts alongside automated processing, so results can take up to 12 hours to come back accurate and ready. Medical device reading data are automatically extracted results and take a shorter processing period. Find your files anytime in Recent Files, or by clicking View Files, or navigating to Data Transformations, then Transformed Files. What you've just seen is a sample of JondaX's transformation process, done manually on the free plan. Upgrading to Starter Plan and beyond unlocks a more streamlined workflow, faster processing, automated workflows through API integration, and managed transformation settings through output templates. Questions? Reach out to support@jonda.health. We're happy to help.